For this question, if the string starts with red, then we're going to return red. If it starts with blue, then we're going to return blue. And if it doesn't start with red or blue, then we're going to return an empty string. So we can have if str.startsWith. So startsWith is a built-in function in Java to check what the string starts off with. So if str.startsWith, for example, we'll go with red for the first one, then in that case, we're going to have return red. And then else if str.startsWith, if it's blue, then we're going to have return blue. And else, so if none of them are the case, then we're going to return an empty string. And that would be the solution.